Hey, this is Frederik from Center from Hybrid Intelligence, showcasing how you can clone and create your very own ChatGPT by utilizing API key integrations. As you can see here, we are starting with the first step, giving it an initial prompt. Here you can see the very first prompt and notice how it says thinking and building in real time. Next, you can watch it generate hundreds of lines of code within just a few minutes, typically around 4 to 5 minutes. It's important to keep in mind that this is not a one and done process. You'll need to work iteratively with the code. And of course, you should maintain a hybrid intelligence mindset throughout reviewing and selecting and approving the code that you can actually make sense for your own use case. So here you can preview the code. And now let's take a look at the core functionalities. First, the settings panel where you can paste in your API key. You'll also notice a view button to reveal the key if needed. You can also switch between models. As you can see here in this demo, we are using ChatGPT 4.1 mini for testing purposes. Once your API key is set, you need to create a session to start chatting. In this case, I've tried to take the sightseeing possibilities in Aarhus. And of course, you can also generate it from a PDF document where you can upload it and attach it to the session. So here we have taken apprenticing with the customer, and now we give it a prompt. So to explain the 5 central points, it's an article. I've just given it, and then you can see it works fine. And you can also use a lot of different documents at the same time. So shortly, I want to show you how to generate an API key from OpenAI's website. First of all, you log in, and if you have a Google account, that's super. And I have just chosen my Gmail account to log in. And then you see the first page up here, where we are at the front page. Over to the left, there's a lot of possibilities to read about this, to learn more about OpenAI, but we want to focus on going to the dashboard on the top right. And then we can do a test key. And it's always important to hide your key so people will not hack you or use your API tokens, because that costs a lot of money if you have your credit card on this site. You have the possibility to revoke the key when you are finished with it. Thanks a lot for listening to this demo showcasing how to make a clone of ChatGPT. Thanks a lot. Bye.